This recipe comes straight from our cookbook bundle set. If you're interested, I've left the link in the video description. Today we're making a hearty slow cooker beef stew that tastes like it's simmered all day without you standing in the kitchen. This is from our soups and stews collection, designed for simple, affordable comfort meals. You'll need beef chuck, potatoes, carrots, onion, garlic, beef broth, tomato paste, and simple seasonings. The key to good stew is balanced seasoning and letting time do the work. Add everything directly into your slow cooker. No browning required if you're keeping this simple. Cook on low for 7 to 8 hours, or until the beef is fork tender. If you want to see the exact slow cooker and kitchen tools we use, they're listed on our household guide page on Tech Gear Garage. Everything is linked in the description. By the end of cooking, the beef should fall apart easily. The broth thickens naturally from the potatoes and slow simmering. Serve hot with bread, or portion into containers for the week. This recipe reheats beautifully and stretches your grocery budget. Recipes like this are exactly why we built our cookbook bundle. Practical meals that don't waste ingredients. If you found this helpful, why not grab our recipe book on Etsy and subscribe for more real, budget-friendly cooking.